Hey all, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most important parts of the FPV hobby, drone safety. Whether you're brand new to FPV or just got your first set of goggles, understanding how to fly safely can make the difference between an awesome flight day and a really bad one. FPV flying is one of the most rewarding hobbies out there. It's freedom, creativity, and adrenaline all in one. But to enjoy it long term, you've got to respect the rules, your gear, and your surroundings. Before every flight, do a quick pre-flight safety check. Here's my simple 7-step routine that can save you from crashes and lost drones. 1. Inspect your drone. Check props for cracks. Make sure your frame isn't damaged and all screws are tight. Loose components can cause vibrations and loss of control. 2. Battery safety. Always fly with batteries that aren't puffy or damaged. Store and charge them in a fire-safe bag and never leave them charging unattended. 3. Signal check. Make sure your video and radio links are solid. Double check your antennas are tight and pointed the right way. 4. GPS and failsafe. If you're running INAV or Betaflight, confirm your failsafe is set correctly. A properly configured return to home can save your drone when signal drops. 5. Environment check. Look around for people, animals and obstacles. FPV drones can move fast. Even a small mistake can cause injury or damage. 6. Center of gravity. Always make sure your craft is balanced and CG is correct before takeoff. A slightly nose-heavy plane is better than a tail-heavy plane. 7. Recheck that all control surfaces are responding and moving the correct way. Also, check control surfaces in stabilized flight modes are also responding correctly. If something doesn't look right, don't fly. It's way better to lose 10 minutes troubleshooting than to lose a drone. Next up, flying legally and responsibly. Every country has its own rules, but here's the basics that apply almost everywhere. Stay under 120 meters or 400 feet. That keeps you clear of manned aircraft. Keep your drone within visual line of sight. Even when flying FPV, a spotter should always be watching your drone. Avoid airports, helipads and built-up areas. Use apps like Open Sky or OK2Fly to check airspace before you fly. Don't fly over people or private property without permission. And if you're flying long range with GPS or INAV, make sure you've got the right permissions or certifications. It's all about being a responsible pilot and keeping our hobby alive for the future. Let's talk about what not to do. The classic beginner mistakes that lead to heartbreak. 1. Flying too far too soon. Start small, get comfortable flying line of sight and close range before going for that epic mountain run. 2. Overconfidence with new builds. Every time you flash firmware or build a new quad, recheck your motor direction, failsafe, and GPS home point before takeoff. 3. Ignoring the weather. Wind and rain can destroy electronics fast. FPV gear hates moisture, and high wind can flip your drone mid-air. 4. Not recording DVR or HD footage. Always record your flight. If you lose your drone, this footage can help you track where it went down. Trust me, we've all made these mistakes. The goal is to learn from them before they happen to you. One of the best parts of FPV is the community. Join local FPV Facebook groups, visit your nearby RC club, or just meet up with other pilots. You'll pick up tips, find safe spots to fly, and make some great mates along the way. Remember, flying safe doesn't just protect you, it protects the reputation of the FPV community as a whole. So there you have it, your crash course in FPV drone safety. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more FPV tutorials and flight footage, and drop a comment below with your best safety tip for new pilots. Fly smart, fly safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.